Hello everyone and welcome to this presentation on reducing energy consumption with cost budget using available budget pre-assignment in heterogeneous cloud computing systems. Right, so it's a long title, but we'll get to its explanation in just some time. First, let us go through what we are going to discuss in this presentation. These are the table of contents. You can just pause the screen and have a look at them. So first, let me talk about the research paper on which this presentation has been made. The book was published in the year 2018 and it was published by a couple of members of IEEE who are also a part of the Hunan University of China. So the research paper talks about energy consumption and cost being two factors which are very important when applications are being built for cloud computing systems, as they directly affect resource consumption and economic benefits. So what this paper does is it solves the problem of reducing energy consumption of a cost budgeted DAG application in heterogeneous computing systems. I'll talk in detail about DAG and other things in just a few slides. The paper also proposes minimization of energy consumption using available budget pre-assignment algorithm called MECAP. I'll talk about that as well. So let us go ahead. The introduction part. Here I'm going to explain what the title was. I'm going to break it down and explain. So first of all, what are heterogeneous cloud computing systems? They are the ones in which different virtual machines have varying computational capacities and application is in the form of model tasks. So I explained the importance of energy consumption reduction. So how do we exactly do that? That is the cost budget application is used to limit the cost budget, which is quality of service requirement to cloud data center supplied by service providers, which makes use of different kinds of scheduling algorithms. So the research talks about different kinds of algorithms and then it introduces the MECAP algorithm, which is in the end proven to be the best one. So now let me talk about DAG. DAG refers to directed acyclic graph. In this research paper, they have used different kinds of graphs to explain how this algorithm works best and helps us in reducing energy consumption in heterogeneous cloud computing systems. So now let us move ahead. Now talking about the proposed approach, the study aims to reduce the energy consumption of a cost budgeted application in heterogeneous cloud computing systems as discussed earlier. They propose minimization of energy using MECAP. The experimentation is done on 3 different types of DAG applications which have different degrees of parallelism. I'll talk about this later. So what we do is we divide the problem into 2 sub-problems. I'll talk about the problem statement later in a couple of slides, but first let us have a look at that. The approach followed is they divided it into 2 sub-problems, which is satisfying cost budget and reducing energy consumption. So within satisfying cost budget, the researchers have proposed an available budget pre-assignment method, which focuses on improving the existing budget pre-assignment methods. In this, they transfer the cost budget of the application to each task by using available budget pre-assignment. And in reducing energy consumption, they introduce available budget pre-assignment method to reduce this. They allow each task to select combination assignment of virtual machines and frequency that minimizes the energy consumption and helps us in reducing the cost budget. So now talk about the DAG application model. A targeted cloud computing platform is composed of a set of heterogeneous virtual machines to provide services with different capabilities and costs. So a work running on virtual machine is represented by the given DAG, which consists of 4 things: N, W, M, and C. So these are discussed in detail. You can pause the screen and have a look at them. And it is anyways explained in detail ahead. Now we have a look at the energy model and the cost model given in the paper. The energy and the cost both have to be taken care of, both have to be considered, and it is to be done in a way that the energy used, the energy consumed is minimized and the cost is also minimized. So these are the 2 factors which need to be considered. So I'm discussing about that. Then we come to the cost budget scope and the actual problem statement focused on by the researchers. So in the left side of the screen, you can see the formulas for the cost budget scope and how they have considered it. So the cost budget needs to lie between the minimum and maximum cost. And the problem statement is that the problem to be solved is to assign a combination of virtual machines and reduce frequency for each task to reduce the energy consumption of the DAG application. So the formula for that is given, and this energy consumption is subject to a specific cost budget, which is given by the formula given below. So now moving on, how exactly the research aims to reduce energy consumption with the help of cost budget. This is done using three methods: existing cost budget scheduling, available budget pre-assignment, and reducing energy consumption. So all of this was earlier done using the MSLBL algorithm, which aims to reduce the schedule length instead of reducing the energy consumption. So that is not something we want. So what the researchers did is they looked for a better algorithm, and they happened to come upon the MECAP algorithm, which is discussed ahead. The MECAP algorithm is a 23-line algorithm, as you can see on the right side of my screen. The input, as discussed earlier, was the DAG application model, and the output will be the energy consumed and the cost budget and its related values. So based on that, the main idea of MECAP is that the cost budget of DAG application is transferred to each task by pre-assigning available budget pre-assignment values to unassigned tasks. So MECAP prioritizes the tasks based on the rank U given above, and it iteratively assigns each task to the virtual machine with minimum energy consumption of the DAG application. And based on that, it calculates the cost budget. It further selects the effective combination assignment of virtual machines and the frequency of NI while satisfying the cost budget. So based on this, it is the time complexity of the algorithm is calculated as given over here, which is the order of n square into u into f. So now moving ahead. Based on this MECAP algorithm, they did an experimental analysis where they compared it to EHBCS algorithm and MECABLE algorithm, and based on that, they calculated the cost budget and the energy consumed. And as you can see for the values over here, it is proven that MECAP generates the lowest energy consumption because it accepts the advantages of the previous two algorithms and also improves the pessimism of both of them. And over here you can see the three DAG application models which I was talking about earlier. So what the researchers have done is they have calculated experiments on these three models, which were the A1 is the Gaussian elimination, B is linear algebra, and C is fast Fourier transform. So based on that, they have assigned a specific task number and average schedule length to all three of them. They have selected these three models specifically because they represent low parallelism, middle parallelism, and high parallelism DAG applications respectively. The parallelism degree can be identified by calculating the schedule lengths for approximate equal scales of DAG applications using the well-studied and commonly used heterogeneous earliest finish time algorithm, HEFT algorithm. So a short schedule length will correspond to high parallelism. So experiments were conducted on all three models, and they came to the conclusion that MECAP is better than the other two algorithms currently present, or for that matter, any other algorithm present for heterogeneous cloud computing systems. So finally, coming to the conclusion, the study proposed an algorithm called MECAP to reduce the energy consumption of a cost-budgeted DAG application in heterogeneous cloud computing systems. MECAP attempts to minimize energy consumption while satisfying the cost budget of DAG application by proposing the method, and it decomposes the problem into two subproblems as discussed earlier. It also demonstrates the effectiveness compared with existing algorithms, and it does experimentation of three applications. Thank you.